In this video, I will show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on Roku TV. The first thing that you'll need to do is to launch your Roku and press the following buttons in the same order on your remote. Press the home button thrice, up arrow twice, right arrow once, left arrow once, right arrow once, left arrow once, right arrow once, left arrow once, and right arrow once. The developer options menu will appear on your Roku TV screen if it's done correctly. Now write down the IP address listed on the screen, select disable installer and restart. Mine says disable because I've already done this. Scroll through the developer tools license agreement and select I agree. Use the keyboard that appears to create a web server password. You will need this password for a later step. Select set password and reboot. Now head over to your computer and navigate to my.roku.com using any browser. Type in your username and password for your Roku account and click submit. Once logged in, select add channel with the code under manage account. Type IPTV Smarters into the box. Make sure you've typed it exactly as shown. Select add channel to add it to your Roku. Click OK on the warning message that appears. Then select yes add channel on the following pop-up. Now once you reopen your Roku device, you will see IPTV Smarters on the television. Log in with your IPTV Smarters information and start streaming. And that is how you can basically install IPTV Smarters Pro on Roku TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.